Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a couple ATCs that I made, and just jump right in. And I was inspired to get back on make ATCs after I did the swap with Joyce of Love That Paper 215, and then I said, oh, I need to make a couple more ATCs. So I just made 5 more, and they're just simple but fun to make. So this one I made right here. And this was just basically fussy cutting, and in the background are strips from the Reset Girl paper pad, just pieces left over, and so is this ticket, and so is this Rolodex, and the lady just put some bling on it, and the Let's Do It came from the Dollar Tree, and then I just outlined it with a gold marker. So that's the first one. Then the second one, similar, same thing, just pieces in the background of scrap pieces of paper. And this is a little corner piece from some ephemera, as well as, I forgot to say the same thing, this gold is right here is a corner piece from some ephemera from another pack. I forgot which pack that was. And that goes sentiment again from the Dollar Tree. And the card and all the little pieces behind it are all from the Reset paper line as well. And then the third one, as I've been showing you, I was making these decorative envelopes. Excuse me. And this was from the Teresa Collins paper line that I had some extra little pieces left over. So I decided to go ahead and just make it into an ATC. And the sentiment there comes from the paper line. It says, "You're beautiful." And I just punched out that silver bird with a Martha Stewart punch. And that paper flowers from Marvy punch. And then I just put a little bling in the middle. And that is that one. The next one comes from that paper pad again that I was trying to kill. So good, when you got little pieces like this, I just cut it. There's a couple of little strips in the background. The owl is already on the paper. This is part of the paper stuff. I punched that out with my Marvy punch, put some bling on it. And that says, "Enjoy Today." That came from off the paper line. And then these little leaves right here, I just punched out with I think that's a Marvy leaf punch. And then just outlined it in black soot, and that was that one. And then the last one, I just used some of the different inks that I got from Hobby Lobby. No, those inks came from Tuesday Morning. I forgot the brand. It's 3 different blues, just kind of gradation. And then I stamped out that one with some orange, and this too. And it says "Ready to Fly." And then the hot air balloon, but it's kind of, you couldn't see it, so I kind of outlined it with a black marker, not marker, pen. And then this is a die cut that says "Explorers" from Spellbinders, Tim Holtz. And then I just put 3 pieces of bling on it, then I outlined it with some of the dark blue ink. So they are my 5 quick ATCs. They were fun to make. And I will be making some more out of some scrap paper. So, neat way to get rid of some scraps or use them up was to make some little ATCs. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.